Hi there, lovely people. I just wanted to say hi real quick and tell you why there is no new crochet tutorial this week. It's because I just moved to the beautiful Lincolnshire countryside here in England, and it was a really big move because we used to live in London, and yeah, it's so exciting. I can't wait to explore here and make myself familiar with everything. So far I can see that there are already so many more different bird species here in our new garden. I'm so excited about that. And we have a birch tree, so I'm super excited. But the thing is, we have so many decorating jobs to do, my husband and I. um, we had rewiring going on, and now now we're painting and all other sorts of stuff, like um, sorting out the floor and all of these kind of things. And we've been living out of boxes for 2 weeks now, so we're really keen to finish this. So that's why unfortunately there's no new tutorial this week, but I will be able to record like a short tutorial on how to make eyes, how to embroider eyes for your amigurumi if you don't want to use safety eyes. That's a small tutorial I have planned for next Sunday, and then after that I can hopefully continue with my usual crochet tutorials. In the poll I asked you about which animals you'd like to crochet, and when I was recording the tutorial for the otter, which was my last amigurumi tutorial, the otter had most votes, but by now the squirrel actually took over and it had most votes. So the next tutorial is definitely going to be a squirrel. Thank you so much everyone for voting, and thank you so much for being patient with me in this time. Thanks for being here, thanks for watching. Have a lovely Sunday and a brilliant week. Take care everyone. Bye. Happy creating.